What's up, YouTube? This is Larry. I've been a full-time reseller since 1997. We sell all kinds of stuff. Well, sometimes we do. Sometimes we don't. But anyway, we sell autographs, media, old vintage shirts, pretty much anything that we can find to make a dollar. We do haul videos. We do all kinds of stuff. We do some autograph videos. We do through the mail autograph videos. If some of that stuff is what you would be interested in, please hit the subscribe button. We're trying to build up our subscribers. It seems like a lot of our people that are watching, about 40% of them aren't subscribed. So we're trying to build our subscriber base up and hit the all button. That way you can catch all my videos. But anyway, man, we sold so much stuff the past 2 days. You would not believe this is going to take so long. Let's check it out right now. We sold an episode of Big Love. We just listed this last night, or we wouldn't have that sale. This was sitting at my store for probably a year now, and nobody's been looking at it there, so I was like, what the heck? Let's just get rid of it. It's sealed. We only got $8.99 for it, and it's probably going to cost me $3 or $4 to ship, and I probably paid $1 for it, so I might make $2 or $3 on it, but hey, it's a sale, and we're going to put it out the door. That's what we like to do. Somebody possibly has been checking out my videos because this has been sitting back here for a little while, a couple weeks, and somebody bought this, Christy Hemme. We sold it for, I think it was $29.99 for this 11 by 14. I believe we paid about $5 for it, maybe $7. It wasn't a lot, but that was good money. We sold a shirt. I have no idea where this shirt is. Sometimes I put shirts in stupid places. It was a hunting shirt. Not even a hunting shirt. It was really just like a deer, so it might not be in here. Sometimes I put the hunting shirts in here because this is where I put my sports shirts. But it may be in the other 2 or 3 things where I just have my vintage t-shirts. We'll find out. I may have to cut some of this footage because you guys don't want to sit here and watch me pull this crap out of here all day, do you? I know I wouldn't want to. You might want to, I don't know. Nope, it's not there. Let's try this one. I seriously do not know where this thing is. Hopefully you guys have been doing well this weekend, because in the beginning, when I was telling you that this is going to take a while and we have a lot of footage to show you and a lot of sales to show you, I was kidding. This is it. This is the last package we have right here. This has been some of our worst weekends, the last few weeks, and some of our worst eBay times we've ever had. We used to sell like 35 items a weekend, and now we're selling like 15. We sell like 8-10 items every 2 days, and now we're selling like 3 to 5. I'm not sure what happened. I don't know if I need to try another platform or what. I really don't. Because like I said, I was doing great. And like I said, I'm having some of the worst sales I've had for the past couple years. I really don't know where this shirt is. I think I'm running out of places to look. It's got to... Is it this one or no? I think it's this one. I'm going to go ahead and say it's this one, but I'm going to go ahead and check before I send it out. But we sold this for $22.22. We paid $2 for it. But here's the thing. Somebody bought this, and then about 5 hours later, I get a message. But it's a different username. And it says, wrong shirt, please relist. They didn't say, I think, but they said it was, I messaged them back and I was like, I'm sorry, this username did not buy this shirt. If you have a second account, you need to log into that account and ask me to do it through there, because that one was from Austria, and the person that bought it was from Tennessee. I know a lot of the, foreign buyers have places where they do like forwarding. They're called forwarders and stuff, where you can set up a place and they'll forward your mail for you. But I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and send it out because it's only $2, and I mean, I'm only going to be out, $5 in postage and $2, $5 total probably with postage and everything. But yeah, I don't know what to do. I guess I'll send it out. Because I told him, I said, you have to go to that account and then message me, and I've never heard back from either account, so I don't know if it was a scammer or what, so we're just going to mail it out. Holy cow, guys. Can you believe we sold that much stuff? Wow. That's amazing. I think I might be able to buy, I don't know, pepperoni roll tonight maybe. Anyway, that's all we sold the last 2 days, man. Monday and Tuesday, we sold 3 items. We got to find some other stuff to do. I'll show you some stuff I've been working on. You guys don't want a 2-minute video. We bought 14 of these elbow pads at a thrift store for 49 cents a piece. We listed them tonight. You never know. We listed them like $14.99, free shipping. We bought 63 of these RC cans. Thinking about sending these out to get some of them autographed in the mail. And then some of these I'll sell at my store. Some of the better ones. Like this Jackham. We're in Steeler country, so I'll be able to sell this for like $5 at my store. I paid $20 for the whole carton right there. There's 63 of them. Picked up this sleeveless WWE shirt. I don't know who this is. Seth Rollins or somebody? I don't know. No clue. I'll have to do some research. John Cena. I hardly ever find a real John Cena men's shirt. I find thousands of like kids shirts, but this is like the first men's shirt I found in a while. Got a couple Michael Jackson shirts. They're only from 2009. I don't think they're worth a whole lot, but I just thought they were cool. We listed that Robert Graham limited edition. Listed that Earnhardt jersey. We listed 3 Robert Graham shirts tonight. We listed these brand new Asics tonight. We got these for $7.50. I think we listed them for like $59. Free shipping or something. We're going to list this starter authentic, not authentic, but it's a starter alternate Randy Moss jersey. I found one of these that was new, going for like $100. This one looks like it's never been worn, but I think somebody dropped it at the thrift store. I tried to clean it up. See, there's some spots on there. So I don't know what to do about that. I have to try to clean it up because it's in perfect condition. It looks like it's never been worn. We bought all those cards for $5 a piece, all the boxes. We're going to send that stuff out in the mail, probably get some more. Getting ready to list this tonight. It's a nice polo jeans of Alpha Lauren puffer jacket. It's one of the tech ones. I saw one online. Someone else had one for like $129 plus shipping, so I don't know. I'll probably start it out around there. It's got a couple flaws, but it's a pretty nice jacket. I think I paid $5 for it the other day. All right, guys. That's about all we can show you. Showed you a bit of work we did and showed you what we sold. That's about all we got. So it's been nice hanging out with you. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Hit the like button. It won't hurt you. Hit the dislike button. I don't care. Just share some interaction. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Peace.